Rogers State Historic Park, Callista, and I am showing you one of my tips and tricks about hiking here on the trails. Now, we have several plants here that aren't very nice to us humans, and I'm standing right in front of one that you might recognize. If you haven't seen this before, this right here is called poison oak. And you'll notice it has these leaves of 3, and they're kind of lobe-shaped. So they look like an oak leaf, but they come in these bundles of 3. Now, a lot of people will say that they're always going to be red, but as you can see for yourself, different times of year, they are different colors, with the newer ones being a reddish hue, but it grows in a green as well. Now, this grows all over California, and if you touch it, which I will not demonstrate for you, it will cause you to have a terrible rash. Sometimes it forms into blisters, and it can even leave scars. This time of year, it's actually coming into bloom, and you'll see small white flowers. These flowers will create berries, and the berries are really, really important for a lot of the native birds that will actually survive off the berries during the off-season. And so, although it may irritate us humans, it does have a very strong part of the natural cycle here. So we want to just leave it be, right? Remember, leaves of 3, leave it be. Don't touch it, try and avoid it if at all possible. If you do happen to touch it, do not use hot water to wash it off. That excites the oils, which are what's going to cause that blister and rash. You want to wash your hands in cold water with soap as soon as possible. Once you have the rash, it's going to be there, and that's where you're going to have to use your chamomile lotion. So, this is our poison oak. Please avoid it when you're on the trails here at Will Rogers State Historic Park.